Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cities Skylines 2 on Xbox. To begin, simply launch the game from your Xbox dashboard or through your Game Pass subscription. Once loaded, you will find the controls intuitive. Use the left stick to navigate the camera around your chosen map and the right stick to rotate your view for optimal perspective. Your very first step is to lay down a main road, connecting it to the outside world, which forms the backbone of your burgeoning metropolis. Now let's dive into building your city. A crucial early step is zoning. Designate areas for residential, commercial, and industrial development to encourage growth and provide jobs. Next, ensure your citizens have access to vital services. Place power plants, water pumping stations, and sewage treatment facilities. Remember to connect these services with pipes and power lines. Finally, create an efficient road network, adding public transport options like bus lines. Now, let's add a touch of the iconic melody. We'll simplify the main riff to make it accessible, focusing on just a few notes on the G and B strings. This isn't about perfect replication, but about capturing the essence of the song's lead line. Pay close attention to making each note ring out clearly and precisely. Even a simplified riff can add significant character to your playing, making it sound much more like the original. For those looking to take their city to the next level, consider advanced strategies. Utilize district policies to specialize areas, perhaps creating a high-tech industrial zone or a bustling tourist district, boosting overall efficiency. Pay close attention to traffic flow. Design your road networks with one-way streets and efficient intersections to prevent frustrating congestion. Always plan for future expansion, thinking about where to place unique buildings and how to integrate specialized industries for long-term prosperity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.